Good morning, student. As I have completed your chapter number 1 in social science and 8th standard class, after the chapter, there is exercise. In that question 1 is answer the following question. You just go through these questions. If you're finding answers, just stick it out in your textbook. But in the next class, meanwhile, I'll provide you the answer. Okay, try to solve it on your own. Now I will begin with the chapter number 2. What is around us? हमारे आसपास क्या है? One day, Dunwin was roaming in the garden with his mother. While walking, in his mind, one question arose. He asked his mother, What is the land made up of? जो लैंड है वो कैसे बना हुआ है? His mother replied, Do you see the sun every day? The sun too has a family, which is known as solar system. सन की भी फैमिली होती है जिसे हम सोलार फैमिली के नाम से जानते हैं. उनमें से एक मेंबर है अर्थ. अर्थ इज द one of the member of the solar family. The important point is that Earth, among all the member of the solar family, has good temperature, water, air to sustain a life on the earth. These three things are easily available on the earth and which are required for every living being. We need temperature, water, air for living. If we are not having good temperature, we'll face difficulty. We need water for living, air, oxygen we need for the living. Generally, it is believed that the part of the sun which was separated from the sun after the crash, earth is made up. At that time, it was in the form of fireball. एक आग का गोला था वो. This fireball slowly started cooling down. Many elements of the earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. जैसे जैसे स्लोली ये ठंडा पड़ता गया, जो अर्थ के काफ़ी एलिमेंट्स थे ना वो कुछ लिक्विड में ट्रांसफ़र हो गए एंड थोड़े टाइम बाद वो सॉलिड फॉर्म में हो गए. ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस एलिमेंट्स गॉट ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू सॉलिड दैट आर नोन एज लिथोस्फीयर. The elements which got transformed into liquid are known as hydrosphere. The elements which are transformed into gases are known as atmosphere, or we can call it air. Above all, the living world developed on the land, water, air, and those known as biosphere. In this way, the four spheres came on the earth. I'll give you the little description about these four spheres. You can easily remember these. Lithosphere, that is जो हमारे ज़मीन का टुकड़ा है. हाइड्रोस्फीयर जो पानी से रिलेटेड है. एटमॉस्फेयर जो वातावरण हमारा है, एयर वी कॉल इट एंड ऑल. एंड biosphere, that all the living being, all everything, animal, insects, human being, vegetation, everything covers in the biosphere. So in the picture it is there, you can see it is there. The picture describes atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. Now begin with lithosphere. The sphere on which we are living is known as lithosphere. The word litho means rock. Sphere means the layer. The upper layer of the earth is made up of soil and solid material, which is there we call it rock. Approximately 20% of the earth's surface is covered with the lithosphere. This layer is almost 64 kilometer to 100 kilometer thick. The thickness of this lithosphere is not same on the earth everywhere. Similarly, the interior and the exterior, जो अर्थ का अंदर का हिस्सा एंड बाहर का हिस्सा है, उसके भी जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है वो सेम नहीं है. इट इज़ मोस्टली मेड अप ऑफ द सब्सटेंस लाइक soil and rocks. Land forms. The land which we are having on the earth is in the form of mountain, plateau, plains, valley. All these we see on the lithosphere. The temperature increases as we move towards center of the earth. The molten rock, the rock in the interior of the earth are known as magma. There are many gases present in the interior of the earth. When the pressure arises and the heat arises, but the pressure of the rock of the surface of the earth is equally strong. Thus, the balance between two is maintained. The crust of the earth does not break, and the balance between two is also not maintained, and the crust breaks and volcano erupts. जब जो क्रस्ट है इसका जो बैलेंस है इनमें अगर मेंटेन नहीं होता है तो क्या हो जाता है, वोल्केनो आ जाता है. नाउ he is asking question to mom, how is the lithosphere useful to us? ये जो lithosphere है वो हमारे को क्यों फायदेमंद है? So she replies, where we can construct our home. If the lithosphere is not there, how we can construct the home? Without lithosphere, we cannot get water to drink, agriculture for food, minerals for industries and forest. So lithosphere is very much important to us. If land is not there, we'll not be able to live, we'll not be able to get food, water, minerals for the factories and all. So student, I'll give you one task and I'll mention in your homework also. Your homework is draw a picture which is showing the details you observe on the lithosphere based on our conversation. Thank you.